I'm absolutely blown away at how well this machine handled this 3/8 inch diameter compression bit. The spindle that I'm using on here is the smaller of the two that is offered for this machine, and it's only 1200 watts, but it powered through perfectly. This bit gives me a larger shank diameter, which will increase the stability of the cut through this 1-inch thick walnut, and man, did it do a really nice job. The chips are really nice and big, which is exactly what we want to see, and I can't wait to show you more of this project. Well, none of that was supposed to happen. This video has it all: an odd project, issues, and overcoming them. First, I need to get this round, so I'm trimming off the tabs that were left from the CNC and the glue up, and then I begin trimming it down to size. Right away, I hit a little bump there, and it throws the brass completely off. So it actually bent this brass rod, and you can see that wobble right there. And that's definitely not going to work. So I kind of play around with it for a while, trying to figure out exactly how bad it is, kind of try to bend it back into place, and it gets a little bit better. So I decide I'm just going to go ahead and start turning it. And then we have another catch. This area continues to cause me problems throughout this entire project. And you can see the drive center is spinning there. And so it's basically taken that away. So the drive spur is not going to work. We need to figure out a different method to hold this. And I'm going to use a chuck. So I'm getting everything all put in place and using the tailstock essentially just to hold it. I'm not putting pressure really on the tailstock. And that takes away most of the wobble there, as I actually turned the piece round before the wobble started to happen. So it's grabbing on a nice circular place. And again, this exact same spot, and that one's gonna hurt a little bit. So anyways, I turn it off, make sure that there's no wobble or that didn't bend the brass rod further. That means that the chuck is kind of doing his job, taking the pressure off of that brass, because it's still spinning pretty decently round. So now we can do all of the bulk material removal and get most of it all turned away. I'm trying to replicate the push pin as closely as I can, so I am taking some measurements to ensure that I get down to the right areas and get everything turned and make it look as close as I can. So I have some calipers set up here to measure the outside diameter, and I use some dividers to help give me some measurements and reference points. So we'll just get everything all turned down, and I love seeing this all fully take shape and kind of come together. It's definitely really satisfying, and I can't wait to show you the next video where we actually do some brass turning on the wood lathe and you really see this piece start to come to life. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this type of content, be sure to subscribe right over here and click right over here for more great videos.